In a group of 25 villas, I've now come across one that assumes the title of shiny and new. That's from a renovation perspective, of course. A villa that sits across the road from Rotewalk Park and offers a peaceful and relaxing lifestyle to its new owner. Hi, I'm Trent Vivian and welcome you to 389 Boundary Road, Mosman Park. Inside the villa and immediately to your right is a large master bedroom with great storage, a ceiling fan, plus the shutter blinds that really complement the entire room. In the heart of the villa is where you'll fall in love, completely renovated and opened up to connect the kitchen, dining and living zones. As you walk out the back, you'll notice that the backyard is quaint but functional for entertaining a few guests, and it remains in full sight of the indoor entertaining. The miners' quarters has a second bedroom with inbuilt storage, a beautifully renovated bathroom with its own bath and a dedicated laundry, plus a separate toilet. As a complement to a fully modernised villa, you're also located to key aspects such as 450 metres to the Victoria Street train and bus station and 600 metres to the South Cottesloe Dog Beach. 9 Boundary Road is certainly a sought after location, so I would not delay. I look forward to showing you through shortly.